In this video, we will learn how you can automatically create lead in Close when a new lead is generated through Facebook lead ads. So let's say you want whenever a new lead is generated through Facebook lead ads, it should be added in Close as a lead. So we are going to automate this entire process using Pabbly Connect. Come to my screen to see how we do this. To automatically create a lead in Close through Facebook lead ads, let us first go to Pabbly's website. You can see the landing page of Pabbly. On the top right, you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you sign up free, you will get free tasks every month. So do not forget to sign up. Since we already have an account, we will just sign in. Pabbly Connect now. On the top right, you will see a Create Workflow button. It will ask you to name. We will simply write Facebook lead ads to Close. Now it will show you two windows here, Trigger and Action. Trigger is when this happens, Action says do this. So our entire automation process would be based on these two steps, Trigger and Action. Let us understand this with the help of an example. A trigger can be when a payment is received, and action can be send a confirmation message to the user. In our case, a trigger can be whenever a lead is generated through Facebook lead ads, the action can be create it as a lead in Close. So let us begin and select Facebook lead ads as our trigger application. For the trigger event, I will select new lead instant. Connect, add new connection, connect it with Facebook lead ads. It says authorization successful, and now it will show you various pages that I have on my Facebook account. So I want to work for A to Z Auto Repair Center. So I'll take you to my Facebook page. This is the one, A to Z Auto Repair Center. I want every time a person fills up a form here related to on this page, so then that should be added as a lead in my Close account. Okay, so you can see this is the lead generation form that I had created with the name Auto Repair Brochure form, and it is auto detected here by Pabbly. Why? Because this is the only form, this is one and the only form that I had created for this page. In case you have created multiple forms, it will show you in the drop down and you can select from the menu. Okay. And now I will just turn on the simple response and I will click on save and send test request. Okay, you will see it is waiting for webhook response. So now what I will do is we will go to our lead generation form. You can see this. This was the form. These are the pages I have created and I will be working on this A to Z Auto Repair Center, and therefore I've selected this. This was the form that I had created for this particular page. So just one more thing, a quick reminder that before you create a new lead, make sure you have deleted the old one. Now let us go to our form and do a test submission. You will see I have filled in this form, this dummy details I have filled in here. You can see the name here, demo dummy, and since this is just for testing purpose, I've used such name. Okay, I'm just going to fill this and submit, and you will see the form has been submitted. Now let us come back to Pabbly and see if it has received the response, and you will see the response has been received. You can see the person's name, demo dummy, their contact number, their email address, that was demo@pabbly.com, and so on. So this means we have successfully integrated our Facebook lead ads with Pabbly. Now on to our action application. So for that, we will select Close. For the action event, we are going to select Create Lead. We want every time a response is received from this form, when this form is filled here, Auto Repair Brochure form on Facebook, so that person should be added as a lead in Close. Let us connect, add new connection. Okay, now it needs few details like API key and password. So let us read the help text. Enter your API key and leave the password field blank. Okay, so no password. We don't have to give any password. We just need API key. For that, we will follow these instructions. Log into account. I am already logged into my close account. Then let us just click here on settings. And you will see I have two API keys already created with these names, experiment and test. And now I'm going to create a new one. On the top right, you will see new API key button. Just click there. And I'm going to name it as trial. Since this is just for testing purpose. Now you will see the API key is ready. Let us just copy, come back to Pabbly and paste. Since it is mentioned here that password field has to be left blank, so we are going to leave it blank and just save. Okay, it's connected. Here you can give the company name in case you have separately. I'm just going to take it from Facebook lead ads and use the full name as company name. Okay. Description URL, I'm going to leave it empty as it's not mandatory fields. Status, if you will scroll, from the drop down, you can just select. I'm just going to click on potential. Since the leads coming through Facebook would be potential customers. Okay, that's why I selected potential. You can select as per your requirement. Contact name, I'm going to again take it from Facebook lead ads. You can see here, like we did in earlier step, you will find the full name. But before we take this full name, you must be thinking where exactly are we getting these details from. So I'll take you to step 1, where we connected Facebook lead ads with Pabbly, did a test submission, and Pabbly captured this response where it captured the full name of the person, then the email address, contact number, and other details. So Pabbly brought exactly these details over here, and that's how we mapped this. Okay, so again, in a similar way, we are going to take contact name as well. So this is the full name. Okay, title I'm going to leave empty. For email, let's see if we have email in the response. If we scroll down, you will see the email as well. Now phone number we can take from here. Again, let us just scroll down and you will find the phone number. Label, you can select any. I'm just going to keep it as business. City, in case in your form, if the details like city and all are coming, so you can map it from there. Country, similarly for country, I'm going to simply write. Before we click on save and send test request, let us understand something about mapping. So you can see these details we mapped in. You can see the email, phone, name, and if you scroll down the company name, these details that we mapped in. So the best part about mapping is these details, these mapped in fields from next time will automatically be updated. So what will happen is the next time when a new lead is generated through Facebook lead ads, like they fill a form, they submit a lead form, Pabbly will capture the response, and in the close account, these details like contact name, these mapped in details like contact name, office email, phone number, these mapped in details will automatically be updated. They will automatically pick the new data and you will not have to manually do it. So now let us quickly click on save and send test request. You will see we have received the response. You can see the display name, demo, dummy. This was the label potential that we gave to the customer. If you'll scroll down, that's my account name, my close account name basically. If you'll scroll down, you will find other details like the lead's name and all, the lead's contact number and other contact details like email. Now let us go to our close account and see if this person is added as a lead over there. This is my dashboard, and now on the left, I'll just click on leads. So now on the top, you will see demo dummy. This was the name, right, that we had given. Then this is the status, that is potential status we gave in. Let me click here. So when I click here, you will see other details here. If I go to contacts, you can see the contact number over here that we had given. You will also, apart from the contact, you will also see their email address over here. So this means we have successfully integrated our close and our Facebook lead ads using Pabbly Connect. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube. For further queries, you can visit forum.pabbly.com and you can also check our pricing details at www.pabbly.com.